Welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're going to explore the fundamental building blocks of HTML, the basic tags that lay the groundwork for every web page. Have you ever wondered how a web page is structured? Well, it all starts with HTML tags. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the essential HTML tags. Let's kick things off with the P tag for paragraphs and H1 to H6 tags for headings. These tags define the structure of your content, making it readable and organized. Sometimes, you want to break lines or add a horizontal line for separation. Enter the BR tag for line breaks and HR for a horizontal rule. Simple, yet effective. One of the most crucial elements on the web is links. We use the A tag, anchor tag, to create hyperlinks. Learn how to link to other pages or external websites. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Explore the img tag to add images to your web page. Understand attributes like src for the image source and alt for alternative text. Lists help organize information. Discover the all unordered list and ol ordered list tags along with leaf for list items. Perfect for creating bullet points or numbered lists. Tables are excellent for presenting data in a structured way. Learn how to use the table, tr, table row, th, table header, and td, table data, tags. Interactivity on a web page often involves forms. Introduce the form tag and its essential components like input for text boxes and buttons for user interaction. Dive into semantic tags like strong for strong importance, em for emphasized text, and mark to highlight specific parts of your content. HTML5 introduced structural tags for better organization. Explore header, main, and footer to define the different sections of your web page. Congratulations! You've now covered the basic HTML tags that form the backbone of any web page. Practice using these tags, and in no time, you'll be creating your own websites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!